Sophie, I'm Head of Applied Science at Wyke, and today the Applied Science team are at the Atom Pub in Beverley to process a simulated crime scene as part of their assessment. Year 2 diploma students are currently studying Unit 23, Forensic Evidence Collection and Analysis. They've been working in lessons through different aspects of crime scene processing, evidence collection techniques, and will now have to combine those skills in our fictional scene. The sketches, photographs, evidence and strategies done today will all be included in their written reports back at the college. They will also have to complete analysis techniques back at the lab and review witness statements. We decided to make the assignment into an off-site visit so that students could get a more realistic experience of working in this field. The skills of the unit are transferable to many of the professions our students are wanting to move into. They will have to follow procedures, work safely, demonstrate technical skills, as well as working as a team, showing good communication and patience. This unit also allows us to discuss ethics and morals involved in working with a crime scene, showing respect to victims. So let's see how they get on. Hi Ruba, have you enjoyed this morning?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I think it's really refreshing to work outside of college and put our skills that we practiced into the real world and like seeing how it's really done outside, because it's very realistic.
So does it put a bit more pressure on being in this setting rather than at college?
Yeah, definitely, because we have to avoid like cross-contamination, make sure it's all accurate and everything is there to be able to do analysis and stuff.
It feels a bit more real.
Yeah.
And Ruba, what are you intending to do after college?
Pharmacy.
And how do you think this unit links to your pharmacy?
I think it definitely helps with like being able to use the right equipment and being really accurate, because obviously I'll have to be working with like medicine and drugs and stuff, and I have to avoid contamination, so it has to be really accurate. And also just following procedures and just doing everything as it like it should be done.
We're here with Dasha and Elise from Year 2 Diploma. Dasha, can you talk us through what you've had to do this morning?
Yeah, so we arrived on site and we had to find out what happened on the crime scene. We had to take photos and all the measurements to make sure that we have all the specific details we need to when we get back to analyse the crime scene. And also we had to make sure to take all the correct procedures so that we can all work together to find out what's happened in the end.
And Elise, can you tell us some specifics about the strategies that you've used this morning?
Yeah, we've used swabbing to collect biological evidence. We've used lifting tape to collect chemical evidence with powders and stuff. And then we've used magnetic powder to collect the physical evidence with fingerprints.
Great. And how does this visit and this unit, Dasha, link to your intended career path?
So I want to go to the NHS, and to do that you require a lot of teamwork and communication, which has helped because we're all working as groups of threes or just in pairs in general, and following correct procedures has also helped a lot.
Great. And Elise, how does what you've done this morning plus learning across the unit help to what you want to do?
So I'm doing podiatry at university, which means I can go into forensic podiatry, which is just analysing footprints at a crime scene. So I can analyse how people walked around the crime scene, which will help place suspects at the crime scene.
And have you enjoyed this visit as opposed to us setting something up for you in the lab?
Yeah, it seems a lot more realistic than it would be at college, and it seems more helpful as well with all our skills.
Yeah, it really places is we put ourselves in a scene, so it feels like we're actually investigators at an actual scene.
Great.